व्यक्तित्व मौजूद है जिनका नाम अगर ना लिया जाए तो शायद ये कार्यक्रम उतना सक्सेसफुल ना लगे. So I would like to request our honorable Shri P.V. Verma sir, RPFC 1 Bhubaneswar, to kindly come up onto the stage and honor this gathering with his presence. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call Ms. Pragya to kindly come up onto the stage to hand over a token of greeting, a token of gratitude, and a token of respect to our sir. Now, I would like to call upon the dais our very respected Shri P.N. Singh sir, RPFC 2 Brahmapur. I would also like to request Ms. Pragya to kindly come up onto the stage and hand over a token of love to our eminent dignitaries. Last but not the least, now I would like to call our very respected Shri Vikas Anand sir, RPFC 2 Kyonchhar, to kindly come up onto the stage. Along with that, I would also like to request Ms. Pushpanjali to hand over a token of gratitude. Dear audience, if you don't know the history, then somewhere or somehow you are lost in the mystery. तो हमारे इस प्यारे से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी सुन लेते हैं. Firstly, EPFO Brahmapur functioning in the year 1999 in the rented building of OSRTC and then shifted to Pan Complex building near Payal Talkies in the year 2013. Now, RO Brahmapur provides service to 7416 establishments, 3.02 lakh members and 29500 pensioners. In order to provide better service to the stakeholders, EPFO RO Barampur acquired 0.65 acres of land from Government of Odisha for construction of its own official building at Poligumura, Konisi Tehsil, Brahmapur, which is easily accessible to all the stakeholders. The building will be equipped with features like solar power plant, LED installation, CCTV system, LAN, WAN, fully air conditioned with VRF system. The Bhumi Pujan program of new office building of RO Brahmapur will be inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment and Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, Shri Bhupendra Yadav on today through virtual mode. As we all know that nothing can be started without remembering the Almighty, the Creator. तो एक श्लोक के साथ आरंभ किया जाए. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. चलना है हमें अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर, चलना है हमें अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर, पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, पदार्थ से सूक्ष्म की ओर और प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर. So let's proceed towards the lighting of lamp ceremony. I would like to request our dignitaries to proceed for the lighting of the lamp. दीपम ज्योति हरेत पापम, दीपम ज्योति नमोस्तुते. शुभम करोति कल्याणम, आरोग्यम धन संपदा, शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय, दीपम ज्योति नमोस्तुते. ज्योति प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योति नमोस्तुते ब्रह्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय गुरुज्योति नमोस्तुते असतो मां सत्गमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मां अमृतं गमय. Sir, RTST2 Brahmapur to kindly come up onto the dais and address this entire gathering. There is no organization, and without your contribution, it wouldn't have been possible. We thank you very much for being with us in all our thick and thin like a family. Words are less to describe the gratitude which we wish to express. But hence once again, can we get a round of applause for this beautiful relationship? Last but not the least, thank you for being such a great audience, cooperating with me, coordinating with me and supporting me. I, Ripple Sai Reddy, hereby signing off, but with the last event I would like to call Mr. B.K. Samantrai sir for the vote of thanks. Thank you and have a fantastic day ahead.